It's for college prep math because college prep math is endorsed by ACC, so you can get a waiver for ACC even if you don't pass TSI test. But to be able to do that, you have to be registered in this system called CATMA. It like gives you a college waiver. So anyways, I need to show you this video or pieces of this video so we can. Okay. There we go. Okay, nobody has said that they've done CATMA before, so you have to listen so that you know how to make your account. It's a big deal. You have to do this. Okay, I'm gonna pause. Most of you guys have your phones, so you need to go in Canvas. If you don't already have the Canvas app, then you need to get the Canvas app. You're gonna log on to the announcement for today that I posted. And there's a link that says watch the video, and then there's a link that says CATMA. So you're gonna click on the one that says CATMA because we're gonna create our account. If you have your Chromebook, you can do it on your Chromebook too. So go to the announcement on Canvas. And then on the announcement, you will see watch the video, and there's a link to do that. You don't need to do that because I'm showing the video. And then you will see a link to CATMA. You're going to click on that, and she just told you what button to push. Amir, are you doing this?
Yeah.
Okay, also, this is a grade. Making this account is a grade. Some of you guys need every 100 that you can get right now because you're struggling. This is a grade. Amir, are you logged into CATMA?
I'm flying, man.
Okay.
Why did you keep asking?
So it should show you this screen right here when you get to the ACC page, and it's down here. You press the orange button to create an account. You have to go to Canvas, go to the announcement for today. And then in the announcement for today, there's a link to CATMA. All right, Avery, you need to go to Canvas. It'll take you to Austin Community College because we are partnered with Austin Community College. You're going to press the orange button.
Oh, finance. Oh, no.
Okay, raise your hand if you've been able to press the orange button on ACC's website. Okay, so a few of you guys have. Your friends are going to be catching up with us. Please help them to catch up with us. Okay, so then it takes you to this page. On this page, you're going to go up to the top where it says, I don't have my glasses on. What's that say? We're going to press on this button. What is it? What is that? New student? Yeah. Okay, this is where it starts getting tricky. You're gonna enter in your information. Did we find the orange button?
Yeah, the orange button at the top right.
Do you see the screen? It doesn't look like it's at the top right. Okay, is it at the top right? Well, what does this say? I can't see it. What does this orange button say? Scroll down. Let me see what that link takes you to because I didn't follow the link. It's like just this slideshow. Oh, they changed the page. Okay. You don't want to click sign up. That is not what you're doing. Yeah, don't click sign up. Don't click that. Sorry, they changed the website.
Yeah. It's the wrong link.
No, I'm pretty sure it's probably the right link. I just need to figure out where the button is now. Okay.
I'm gonna just type in Kate button. Search bar. It's a slideshow.
Okay, let me see if we can get there this way. So go to your search bar and type in CATEMA, it's CATEMA, and then Austin Community College. Type in CATEMA, Austin Community College, because they changed that web page. CATEMA, Austin Community College. And then when you press enter, the top thing is a PDF. You don't want the PDF. Let's go. Do y'all see this one as the second one? CATEMA System Home.
Yes.
Okay, click on that one. Hey, Ashton, if you can get your, you could do this on your phone. We just typed into the search bar, CATEMA, Austin Community College. Kate-Ma Austin Community College.
Come on, phone or laptop?
It doesn't really matter, actually. Whichever one you can do. So Kate-Ma Austin Community College. And then if you click on this one, you should see this screen. Y'all see this?
See that screen?
Good. We want to click on Austin, or sorry, ACC Tech Austin. So once you click on Kate-Ma Austin Community College, you should see this, and we're going to click on it. You should see this screen. Do you see this screen?
I just searched.
Okay, Kate-Ma Austin Community College. So the second one, the first one is a PDF. Don't click on that. The second one, you should click on that one.
Okay.
Does it pull up the screen? Okay, now you're going to click on ACC Tech Austin. And when you do that, it pulls up this screen. And now we're at the place she was trying to say, that we're going to go to new students up at the top, and we're going to go to create account. So up at the top, you're going to go to new student, create an account. Okay, so new student, create an account. Now let me go back to her video because she explains the, I'm gonna go back to her video because she explains through her video. She explains how to do the login or how to create your account. Okay. Okay, here's where you should be. Okay, that's pretty much applies to most of you guys. So I'm gonna back that up so that you hear what she says. This is creating your number. Have you made your account? Okay, well, if you haven't made your account, how are you gonna know how to do it? No, I want you to make your account. Okay, what's the school code? PF. So when you're making your ID, it starts with PF. Okay, and if you need to write this down, write it down. It starts with PF. I can't see. What does it look like, Juliet? Capital P and then lowercase f is, I'm guessing.
Looks like both of them.
Okay, both capital. Actually, it tells us right here. It is a capital PF, right? Right here where my pointer is. Capital P, capital F. Okay, so it's capital P, capital F. Count the numbers in your student ID. If they're only 6 digits, then you have to add zeros. So how many does it say that you need to add? You need 9 total? 9 total. So some of you have 6 digits, some of you have more than that. So you have to add zeros before your student ID to make it equal 9. If you don't understand what I'm saying, raise your hand and I will help you. How many, count out your student ID, how many digits are in that number?
7.
Okay, so 7, you need to add 2 zeros at the beginning. So it's going to be 0, 0, and then your student ID. So it'll be PF 0, 0, and then whatever your student ID is.
We're not counting the-
I don't think so. And okay, then does it count the PF as characters? Okay, then I'm wrong. I'm wrong. So you count PF as 2 of them, and then you either add a 0 or don't add a 0 if it's long enough. In fact, I think you have to do this for English 4 anyways. So they'll be thankful that you've already done this. Honestly, the program doesn't matter. Okay, do you even have to select a program? Is it like an asterisk next to it that says you have to? Okay, if you don't, you may not even have to pick a program. So it doesn't matter if you pick something or don't pick something. I'm sorry, Logan, what?
What school are we supposed to pick?
Not Connolly, you picked Louisville High School.
That's not on here.
It should be.
It's not on there.
What?
It's on the bottom.
Hold
It
on.
might be at the bottom. Finnan's gonna help you, don't worry.
I'm at the bottom of the.
Hand me the mouse.
Yeah, it's not there,
Give
look,
me a minute.
it's there, Pflugerville High School's not there.
What the heck? Bill was on mine.
Oh, it's
I
not
don't
there.
mind either. I don't mind.
I'm gonna reload the page.
Let's see. These are questions other people might have. Okay, who else was having an issue?
Yep, nope, it's still not there.
Okay, let me see.
I can show you.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see.
Do that.
Okay.
Now all of these.
Let me see if I can type.
There's no, you can't type, it's only a choice.
Oh. Yeah, I think you're in the wrong district. 'Cause none of these are our schools, so. Oh, I think because go back to this. You know, this one. And then go back to more.
Oh, so I don't
Arrow
know.
backwards.
This one too.
Okay, go to the search bar for me. Go to the search bar. What- Yeah, just go to it. Okay, I know why it's not pulling up for you. You have to type in Katema Austin Community College. If you don't, it's not gonna pull up schools in the district. Katema Austin Community College. Okay, Ashton, yours wasn't working. Who else wasn't finding Pflugerville? You have to type in Katema Austin Community College. No. Oh, no. You have to click the second one, sweetheart. Go back. It's because they weren't, and they didn't click Austin Community College. They were just on basic Katema.
This,
Yes, now at the top, click ACC Tech. Good job. Ashton, find it. What do you see? Did you type in Katema Austin Community College? And then you clicked on the second option, not the PDF. Okay, bring it here.
Pflugerville High School's still not on there.
Oh, man.
It's still not on there. So when you go to create account, you go over, put your mouse over new students and click create account, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, but the Pflugerville High School's still not on the search. It's still not there.
You might be right, Logan. Why?
It's probably not there for some people.
No, it's gotta be there.
Oh, it's not there.
No. She can check right now.
Okay, I don't know why it's not coming up for you. We're gonna try again, maybe next class. Or try on your phone. Try on your phone and see if it will work. All right, let's finish making our. Please use your school email. Too many of you guys have other emails and then you forget the password to your email and then you can't find your Kate login and you have to be able to remember to log into this account. Please use your school email.
My personal email. Guys, you put my
So here's the thing, if you are planning to go to college, whether or not it's right now or in 5 years, if you make this stuff up, they're not going to be able to find you. And you can get credit for my class. So make sure you don't make things up you're not going to remember. Okay, did anybody get to this screen where it says confirming student information? Okay, your address. Do what? It doesn't matter what program. Yeah, your address.
Why is anything so hard?
This is the most important thing. When you get to this screen, it's going to give you a password. It like makes it up. Screenshot your password because I have no access to it. Take a picture, screenshot. Did you take a picture of your password? Well, then, no, that's not it.
I say everybody just use it.
I don't know if it's going to let you add my class today because my classes say that they're pending. So we might have to log in next class, which means that you're going to have to remember your password and I cannot give it to you.
Okay, well, maybe I'm able to see through the rise on my phone.
Okay, see if it will let you make an account.
Yes. Phone number?
You know, all these different things, you know.
Okay, so once you get to that part, you have to save that username and password. Even the ACC lady doesn't have access to this. I have students every year that forget what it is. Take a picture, not just take a picture. You should take that picture and you should email it to yourself. If you lose your phone, you might not have that picture.
Wait, what if you don't load it?
It doesn't matter. If you, do, or if you don't, you get credit and wherever you go might honor the credit. Then you have to remember your password. I have no way of doing it. CATEMA, CATEMA, CATEMA Austin Community College. Okay, so does anybody see this screen where it says add class? Then were you able to make an account? Did you get the screen that said confirmation? Were you able to find it? Oh, okay. Was anybody able to make an account and you got the confirmation page? Does it take you to this once you say yes? Okay, so see if you can find me. My name is Sherry Montgomery. Montgomery is up on the wall. What does it say? When you click on that, it doesn't pull down names? And nothing comes up? Okay, it might be because I haven't populated yet. Okay, so once you've created an account, you make sure and take a picture of it. We're gonna log in next class and you're gonna add my class. So once you've created your account, you can put your Chromebook away because we're gonna get started on our notes. I know, but we have to do it. So I don't have a choice. We have to do it. They start sending me emails if I don't have students registered through CATEMA. And you're gonna have to do it in English as well. So keep that stuff handy. When they say, we're gonna register in CATEMA, you can say, I already know how to do that because my favorite math teacher taught me how. Do what? Yes. Did it create an account for you? Take a picture because you can't lose that information. David will tell you it's easy to forget because you didn't make it up. So you're gonna have to try and remember. That's kind of what some other people were saying. I think it might be because I created mine today. So it tells me when I'm looking in my account, it says that my stuff is pending. So it might not be because my class isn't published. Next class, we're logging back into CATEMA. So don't lose this information. We're going to use it. Once you've created your account, you've got your confirmation, you've taken a picture, then you can put your Chromebook away because we're going to get started on notes. Miles, did you get your account made? You got a picture? You took a picture? Okay, good. You can run to the restroom real fast. Ashton, were you able to get your account or no because of that? Okay. We're going to try on your phone next time. Oh, it's not touch screen and I keep touching it. Okay, so next class, we're going to log in and see if we can't. Yeah, it's because I'm not in there yet.
So now what?
So you took a picture, right? Okay, then we're gonna log in next class and see if I pop up. Yep. Okay, so again, you're gonna have to do this in English as well. So we had to create an account. We did it. It takes a minute, but we're done. And I didn't realize that website changed. So that was some troubleshooting on my part. Now we know. Now we know. Your screen is being paused. Okay, stop share. Let's share again. All right, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the worksheet. If you don't have the worksheet, please go get it. We're gonna do pie charts today, but I feel like we're gonna be okay on time because pie charts aren't that difficult. So get a worksheet for today. We are also going to be using a calculator. So grab a calculator, please. You need to make sure you have the worksheet, and we're gonna be using a calculator. The worksheet and a calculator. Yeah, you don't need your computer anymore. We're gonna do the worksheet. So calculator and the worksheet, calculator and the worksheet. Laredo boys, what lunch do y'all have? Alex, what lunch do you have? Y'all both have third? I need to get you guys to take the test, and I know y'all aren't gonna come early to school, so maybe one day y'all could come in during your lunch or during ACE. That works. Do what? Oh, you corrected it? But you can't correct it just by circling the right one. So like this one, you just circled a new one. You gotta show me the work. Yeah, you gotta, some of them you did, and that's fine, but you have to fix all of them.
I have my favorite number. You're not gonna get it. That's a. Usually grab the one at 29, but someone beat me to it.
Alrighty, let's see if we can get through this. It's pie charts. Do y'all remember learning about pie charts? In maybe middle school, maybe elementary school, you even saw pie charts. You will see pie charts on the TSI, almost guaranteed. So let's first remember what a pie chart is, how it works. Remember that everything adds up to what percent? 100%, not 180. Did you say 180? Oh, yes, 100%. And so that's something that is special about a pie chart. It's always going to add up to 100%. So keep that in mind. This first problem, it says over the weekend, 1,500 items were sold. The chart shows the breakdown of items. So these are school supplies. What is the combined percent of erasers and pencils? So we've got 28% plus 11%, and that makes 39%. Easy, right? The next one, which product sold the best? Pencils. What about the worst? Well, look at it. I kind of agree. I think it would be erasers. Look at the slices of pie. Okay, what percent of the sales were pens? How could we figure that out? Yep. Yep. Or we could do 100 and then let's take off all of those other percents. Minus 12, minus 12, minus 11, minus 28, minus 22. Y'all do that. I'm not going to do that work for you. You got to take 100, subtract off all those percents. Logan got 15%. Did anybody else get 15%?
I have gotten 15%.
15%. Which shoe products accounted for about half of the sales? Look at your chart. There are two things that take up about half of the pie. Paper and pencils. How many erasers were sold? We know that it's 11%, but it's asking how many. So read the description of this problem. How many items were sold?
1,500.
Yeah, we have 1,500 items. Well, it's asking how many erasers. Well, what percent was erasers? Okay, to use 11% in a problem, what do we have to do? We have to change it to a decimal. Good job. So let's change that to 0.11. You have to move the decimal 2 spots, and that will tell us how many erasers there were. Juliet got 165. Okay. So how many packs of paper were sold? What do? Same thing. What are we going to multiply by this time? 0.22. Very good. The first problem with pie charts, how do you feel? Pie charts are easy. All right, we're going to flip to the back. On the back, we're going to do a new pie chart. This says the pie chart shows the May family's distribution of monthly expenses for last month. If the May family spent $126 on utilities, what were the total expenses? So to solve this one, we first need to figure out what percent they spent on utilities. Can we figure that out? Do what? We can figure that out. What do? If we know all of these, can't we subtract and find that one? Yeah, Seth figured it out. Let's see if the rest of you guys can get the same number. I've heard a couple of you say it, and you are correct. When you have 100 and you take off all of the missing ones, you get 6%. Once you find out that utilities are 6%, well, it says they spent 126 on utilities. We want to find out the total expenses. On the last problem, we took the total and then we multiplied it by whatever that percent was to figure out how much we spent on each portion. This time we do know the percent. So the percent is 6%, and that as a decimal is 0.06. Be careful. We don't know what the total is. We want to figure that out. And we do know that she spent $126. Can we work backwards and figure out what the total is? Yeah. So all we have to do is get t by itself. To get t by itself, it's multiplying. So we need to bring it over. And when we bring it over, we will divide by 0.06 to get our total. And it's money. So let's use money.
2,100.
Logan got 2,100. Did anybody else?
Hold on.
All right, once we know our total, we can do other things. So question 14 says, how much more did they spend on food compared to rent? How much more did they spend on food compared to rent? So now that we know the total that they had in expenses, can we find out how much they spend on food and how much they spend on rent? Yes, so for food, I can figure out 2,100 times the amount or the percent they spent, so 0.35. That will give me the amount they spend on food, the amount they spend on rent. So what'd you get that they spend on food? All right, what do they spend on rent? 580? 88. So when it says how much more, how do you figure that out? Subtract. You're just finding the difference. So find the difference in the two numbers. Does that seem reasonable? Do you think that your parents spend more on food than they do on rent? I don't know. It's something to think about. All right, so make sure you get that written down. The next problem that we're gonna do, I know I should. I need to take some deep breaths. It's been a stressful morning. I didn't think it was gonna take us so long to duplicate my stuff. We have plenty of time. It's not even 10 o'clock. No, I don't want it to be homework. I'm certain you can get it done. The next question, this is about jelly beans. So we're only going to do question 15 together. So the circle graph gives the distribution of the colors of jelly beans in a jar. There are approximately 200 jelly beans in the jar. What's the difference in the number of green and yellow? So what is the total amount? 200. So we can find green and we can find yellow. So 200, the green ones are 20%, so times 0.2. And then the yellow ones, 200 times 0.25. Amir, did you figure these out?
Yeah.
So how many green? 40, good job. How many yellow? 50, what's the difference? 10. So you could also say 10 more yellow. Something like that. All right, you guys are going to finish this worksheet. It's not a difficult worksheet. I believe you have plenty of time to get it done. Plenty of time to get it done. I'm going to come through and I'm going to pass out your quizzes as well. So once you finish the worksheet, you could get started on quiz corrections if you need it. And it's only 9 o'clock, it's 9:57. We'll probably grade this in 20 minutes. So here is a timer for you.